Hi folks, this is Raj from Dubai. I am the CEO and co-founder of HONK, my company. Today I am in Auto Mechanica in Dubai. I wish there was such program on water literacy, especially Kangen. And gratitude Panacea for bringing Kangen into my life and enlightening me at the right time. I installed Kangen in my house and my parents, my children, myself, everybody is drinking an alkaline water. The body heals the body concept. So I wish this video can spread out to everyone and they can also benefit from the Kangen water through Panacea. Thanks Shashi Iyer. Gratitude Panacea once again. Thanks for everything.